Hi friends, welcome back to Code with Vanga channel. Today we are going to learn about dependency injection in ASP.NET Core. In the previous video, we have learned dependency injection in console application. Now we will learn the same thing in ASP.NET Core. There is a small difference is there when compared to console application with ASP.NET Core. Now let's see. What is a dependency injection? Dependency injection is a design pattern where a class does not create its dependencies itself. Instead, those dependencies are provided from outside. The simple meaning is don't create objects inside your class. Let someone else give them to you. Here, please read it once again. Don't create object inside your class. Let someone else give them to you. So let's dive into the code. We will see the examples. So I'm clicking on Solution Explorer and I'm clicking on Add and I'm clicking on New Project. So I'm selecting, so far we have selected console application. Now we are going to select ASP.NET Core MVC application. I think look at here, ASP.NET Core MVC, this is the one, ASP.NET Core Web Application Model View Controller. Now I am selecting this one. So I'm giving a beautiful name to this one, dependency injection ASP.NET Core. Okay, now I'm giving a name of ASP.NET Core dependency injection. So I've selected .NET 8.0. Now project has been created. So far, the project contains controller, models, and views. So first I will run the program. See, dependency injection. I have selected the project. I'll click on this one and I'll run the program. Web browser, Chrome. I'll select Google Chrome. So I'll run the program. So project is building. So it's the first time now, it will take a little bit time. So once it is run, then we will do the dependency injection code over there. Project is running. Now project has been created. This is a privacy page and this is a home page. The project name is dependency injection ASP.NET Core. Now, so far is good. Now, already you know, it contains properties folder and www root folder. It contains CSS, JS, lib files, controller, models, views, and the final one is the main important one is program.cs class. In program.cs class, these two lines are very important as for this dependency injection. Builder.service.add controller with views, because we are using controllers here, and builder.build, this will build the application. So for let's take one example. Let's take an example. I'm going to create a class. I'm clicking on project and I'm selecting a class. So I'm giving a class name as email service. Email service. Okay. So I'm adding this class. In this class, I'm going to create a interface, public interface, I message service, message service. Okay. So now in that interface, I'm going to create a one method, which is a header only, send message. So this is fine. Now I'm going to implement this method signature into body by using interface. So already you know we have to use interface like this only, then it will implement that method. See, the method has been implemented over here. Just we need to, just by clicking of that. So in this method, I'm going to return email sent. So far is fine. Now I'm going to create one more method. Now I'm going to create I'm going to create one more class over here. Public class. Now I'm giving as a SMS service. I'm going to implement interface over here. Look at here, it has been implemented. I'll curly braces. Now it is asking for implement interface. Now the same method, but in this method I'm going to return SMS sent. Okay. Now this is called a service class. We call it as a, by using interface we have created two classes with services. Now let's go to the home controller. So first I'll remove this one because now there is no use for you this one. I'll remove this one. So this is a constructor of that class, Now I'm going to use private read only iMessage service. I'm going to create a name as iMessage service. Give a underscore for your understanding. iMessage service. I've created a private variable. Now I will use that. Previously we have created this interface. I'm going to use that interface here. The constructor. See, is by default it is showing. Look at here, this interface we are storing in this private field. Now so far is clear now. Now what I will do is that I'll use that var message equal to underscore message. See, this is, it has message start send message. Already it is written over there now. This so far we have learned in the previous class also. Now I'll remove that one. I'll use return content. What content? Whatever the content, it has been returning from that method. Okay. Now see, I'll put a breakpoint over here as well as control save email service class as well. So where is that? Yes, we put a breakpoint over here and breakpoint over here as well. Okay. Now we need to add a dependency in program.cs class because that is the important thing here. Programs.cs. So to add that, we have to use a builder dot services dot add transient. See, based on your requirement, you can use anyone. There is a transient is there, singleton is there, scope is there, but I will use message service. What is email service? Not service, email service. So the dot filter is available but not liked. Okay. So here we have given dependencies here only. This will create objects for these classes. Okay. Now I will run the program. So I have already put a breakpoint over there. Now let's see one by one how it is running. So The first one is, it is called constructor, then it is called index method. When I press F10, it goes to the send message. It has been integrated by iMessage service interface. Now it is returning email sent. Now look at here, that email sent is returning. Now when I press that one, look at here, email sent has been returned. Okay, now so far is good. Now I stop the program. Now I'll change, because now it has been written is email sent. Now I want to use SMS sent. So to use SMS sent, we need to change. The interface is same. Now we can use SMS service. Just change here only. So without a dependency, we need to create a objects here only. In this class, for example, if you take in real time, we need to create hundreds of objects over there, then that would be very clumsy. So because by using dependency injection, we are saving lot of time and efforts as well with clean code. See, just changing one service over, then we can send the whatever the request we have. Now again I am running the program. Now we'll see. So again it is calling index method. Now when I press, now previously it was called for email sent, now it is calling for SMS sent. Now press F10. Now see, this returns SMS sent. Now see, this is SMS sent. Now I'll show you the previous class what we have done, difference between two things. See, previous class also we have done the same thing. Interface we have written and email service we have written. This is a console project I am showing here, and notification which we have used. But the only thing is here, in the main method we have created an object over here. Look at this, iMessage service with new SMS service. In that notification constructor, we are calling that service. But when it comes to ASP.NET Core, so this single line will take care of all that one. See, look at here, builder.services.add transient or add scope or add singleton, whatever object you want to take that. But these two lines will take care of rest of the things. But when it comes to ASP.NET Core, we need to write. This is a console application. For your understanding, previous class I have shown you this one. But as you seen in the ASP.NET Core, it directly just single line. This will create a service, SMS service class object or email service class object, whatever you want. So friends, this is all about dependency injection in ASP.NET Core. Please share my video with your friends, like it. Thank you.